What is it?
Oh my God, a cat!
What?
A cat!
The cat is dead?
Yes!
Where?
Oh, there!
Oh my God, let's go see. The cat's dead?
Yeah! Up there! Over there!
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God, the cat's dead. Mr. Kittles is dead. Mr. Kittles. See,
The bleeding.
he's bleeding. Oh my God, somebody killed him. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
The
He's dead. Oh my God, his tail's moving. Mr. Kittles, are you alive? Oh my God. Oh, he's alive.
Yes!
Oh no, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Rest in peace, Mr. Kittles. We're gonna bury him.
Oh my God! Oh my God,
He's playing dead. Mr. Kittles, wake up. You lied to us. We thought you were dead. We're so worried about you, Mr. Kittles. Wake up. He is dead. Leave him alone. He's dead. Don't you understand? I think he's drunk. His tail's still moving. No.
No, not go Mimi.
Wake him up.
That's
Mr. Kittles.
tonight. That's tonight now. Hey. That's tonight.
You're alive. It's a miracle.
That's tonight now. But it's tonight.
Mr. Kittles.
No.
Yay, you're alive. Okay, leave him alone. He's gonna get mad and scratch you. He's like, fuck the hell off, damn kids. I'm going to sleep. Let's go. Mama, kindergarten in the room. Everybody in the room. Oh, hurry. In the room.
I'll show you.
Yeah. Yeah, but he wasn't dead. He was lying to us.
Mama, over here.
People say I'm
Yeah.
not because I saw
Mama. Look at Mommy.
because I have experience. I can watch my favorite shows all the time, anytime. So much fun.
Mama.
28 days of beautiful.
Ah,
Now you can have it.
Bye.
goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Hey.
Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.
You get what's rightfully yours. Call 1-800-WIN-WIN-1.
Goodbye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Bye-bye.